Good morning, students. This is your geography lesson. Students, as you know that we are reading about industries and we have discussed about the important industries developed in Pakistan. Today we will discuss about industrial estates and special industrial zones in Pakistan. So we start our lesson. What is industrial estate? Industrial estate is one which consists of well constructed factories that are offered to entrepreneurs for establishing an enterprise. It is normally established in the industrial backward areas so as to minimize the regional imbalances. It provides all infrastructural facilities such as power, transport, water, and lighting. Banks, post office, canteen, first aid facilities, etc. at a very reasonable cost. Now you are supposed to open page number 163 and read and understand more about industrial estates. Industrial estates are specific areas reserved for industry only. As I have told you in the beginning that these states are the particular areas developed or established only for industries. They are established to help and encourage entrepreneurs. And entrepreneurs or an entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business. So these industrial estates are established for business individuals. The government provides infrastructure facilities such as metalled roads, electricity, water, gas, hospitals, and sanitation facilities. Students, as I have told you in the definition of industrial estate, that these estates are facilitated with basic needs and necessities for human beings. Pakistan's first industrial estate, Sindh Industrial Trading Estate Limited, Karachi, was established in 1947. So, with the birth of Pakistan, at the time of independence, first trading estate was established at Karachi. Numerous industrial estates all over the country have now been established. With the passage of time, a large number of industrial estates have been established in the country. Sindh has the largest number of industrial estates because of its nearness to Karachi, both the largest city and a port. Karachi is very important city in Pakistan because it is the largest city of Pakistan as well as with the facility of seaport. So there are the large amount of industries established in this city. The industrial estates can enjoy various incentives such as exemptions from custom duty on imported machinery. As industrial estates are located near Karachi city and Karachi is having a seaport, so the imports, the goods and the raw material which we import from other countries is delivered all over Pakistan through Karachi. The private sector is also encouraged to establish industrial estates in the country. It is allowed to develop infrastructure facilities, especially power generation, for its industrial units on these estates. So, students, Pakistan possesses highly developed industrial estate facilities in all provinces of the country. They cater all types of industry needs and are well supplied with a wide range of infrastructure and related services. Special industrial zones. A special economic zone is a special area of land used to promote industrial growth in a country by providing lenient economic and tax policies as compared to general economic policies in a country. For example, government of Pakistan has promoted 5 industrial estates such as Multan Industrial Estate, Phase 2, Bahawal Industrial Estate, and Mianwali Rahim Yar Khan Industrial Estate. A scheme of special industrial zones was planned to support the manufacture and trade of various export products. A special industrial zone can be developed even in those areas where infrastructure facilities like water supply, electricity, telephone, and metalled roads are not available. As I have told you that government choose or select those areas which are not established and developed. The interested companies, local or foreign investors would develop these facilities and provide utilities for the zones. So, local and foreign investors developed these areas for the betterment of human beings, for the welfare of human beings. However, they will be assisted by the respective government agencies to provide public facilities, e.g., telephone, electricity, water supply, metalled roads. The investors will be allowed to develop their residential, commercial, and social facilities in the vicinity of the industrial zone. Vicinity means an area near or surrounded a particular place lacking in quality or quantity. So, government assist government policies and government agencies assist private sector or industrial sector to promote or to develop these areas commercially and socially. The government has also offered many incentives which include tax exemptions on import of machinery, relaxation in foreign exchange control, simplified procedures, tax holidays, and security. So, to promote economic growth in Pakistan, Pakistan government has introduced many policies for the betterment of businessmen, for the industrial sector, and these facilities and these policies are tax exemptions on import of machinery, and they have relaxation in foreign exchange control. Similarly, they have to avail tax holidays and security as well. However, in order to attract local and foreign investors, there needs to be consistency in government policies. As we know that we are weak politically, government policies are changing day by day. We don't have stable government and government policies. So these policies affect for the development of economic growth in any sector. We need to maintain and we need to keep focus on the government policies. Any abrupt change or shifting priorities weaken the confidence of the investors and discourage the industrial expansion. If there is variation and if there is change in policies day by day, no one can establish business in this environment. Unfortunately, this has too often been the case, so investor confidence is low. To see and to suffer this type of environment, businessmen are hesitating to establish business in this sector. So students, this is your lesson for today. I hope you have understood about the industrial zone properly. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.